How to share your Shein cart on app. First thing first, head over to your application Shein. You need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Head over to the cart section at the bottom. So these are some of the items that you have added on cart. First of all, tap on this icon and move your product from your shopping cart to your wishlist. Tap on yes. Likewise, add the product that you want to share. Once you have added the product to your wishlist, tap on this icon at the top right. Head over to boards. Tap on create board. Create one name for your board. And then tap on create board. Select the items that you want to add to the board. Once you have selected the items, tap on add to board at the bottom right corner. Now go back and you can see that your board has been created successfully. As we're looking forward on how to share your Shein cart, tap on the share icon. Tap on more. Different application will be visible to you. Tap on any of the application that you want to share and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to share your Shein cart on app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.